How to kick someone on Brawl Star. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with a tutorial. For this, make sure that you have installed Brawl Star application and it is up to date. Tap open your Brawl Star. Make sure you are logged in to your account. Now once you are logged in, you will find an interface like this. Tap on the social icon at the bottom. From here, you will find every members or friends that you have in your club. To kick someone out of the club, all you have to do is tap on the user and you will see two options of spectate or profile. Go ahead and tap on the section of profile. Then you'll be redirected to the profile of the user. In here, you will find a setting gear option next to the club name. All you have to do is tap on the setting gear option. In here, you will see two options, that is kick or promote. For the sake of this video, I'll be tapping on kick. You have to do it too to kick the user out of the club. Then, for confirmation, you have to tap on kick once again. And that is how you kick someone on Brawl Star. If you face any of the difficulty regarding this process, you can check out the help and support of Brawl Star. If not, make sure to clear the cache of your Brawl Star app and make sure that it is up to date. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.